Hi guys, welcome to my video. Now I want to show you how Fruit Basket. So stay tuned on my video and don't forget, please comment, like and subscribe. The first step, prepare the material. They are wall rum, glue, balloon, and exercise. The second step, roll a balloon until it's too big and the balloon, like this. The third step, play half part of the balloon with glue. Like this. The first step, twist the wall rum on half parts of balloon that was big, give with glue, like that. The last step, dry the balloon in the sun for 1 day. Puncture the balloon using a needle. Finally, the fruit is ready for us. Okay, that's all about how to make a fruit punch.